No, it's been one of those typical IWC stories when Chris has a silly idea very late on in the process. No, it was basically what happened is the team and Lewis, they shared with us the idea of the new livery last year for the car, supporting the anti-racism message and Lewis's Black Lives Matters activities. And we saw that they changed their entire outfit to the black color to represent that. And I basically immediately said, well, I have to talk to Lewis, see if he would like a watch to match, because I think that would be a really nice statement to just now all be in the same color code throughout. And Lewis said, yeah, that's a fantastic idea. Great. I love it. Absolutely love to have something like that. Can you bring it to Austria on Tuesday? And we're like, in typical IWC fashion, like, okay. Obviously in Formula One, they're used to kind of things being built overnight. Watchmaking doesn't quite work like that.
Just put it together, there's bits. You put it together.
Yeah, exactly. So it's one of those exercises again, where we then sit down as a team and go, okay, shit, how are we going to do this? So we've got this case here that we can take out of this watch. We've got the Ceratanium bracelet, which we somehow have to mount on that thing. Then we have dial components. And then it's basically working out how you can get something done in a purely impossible time. They made it over the weekend. We assembled it on Monday. I made some adjustments, and somebody drove it over to Austria, dropped it off the team. And there it was. And that's really a unique piece that Lewis worn with a great amount of pride. I'm really happy that this was the watch that witnessed the moment of overtaking all the other drivers in the GP wins in late last season. And it's witnessed history, this watch, and it's a truly unique one-off. And as this is always a difficult one, because of course I understand that fans want to have a version of that, but on the other hand, I think the statement we're making there that is about social change is not a message that I want to particularly commercialize. I want to do this as our full support for Lewis and saying we're fully on board, we fully support that message, and I'm not trying to overtly advertise on the back of that, but we're with you. For example, I said to the team last year, if they wanted for races to take the sponsor logos off the car, I would have supported that, because I think the message was really, really important, and it ranks for me higher than, how many seconds is my logo on television. And so that's why I kept it a unique piece in the end. I know it means a lot to Lewis, it means a lot to us as well. I think the fans appreciate it, but it is what it is.